Horrible news just in Turkey. 土耳其新闻快讯 ：The explosion attack killed 6 people. 炸弹袭击造成6人死亡。This attack also caused 81 injuries. 这事故也造成81人伤亡。The terrorist attack was by a woman. 恐怖袭击是为一女所为。Up to now, 22 suspects were arrested, suspected linked to militant affair. 截至有22人被展开调查，怀疑这事件是军事主导。